Hello my people, it's I Blues FS and it's your boy Stevino, and we are so good, we are so happy to be back again. Today we're going to be talking about how you can grow your small trading account using Boom and Crash. But in this video we want to be talking about how you can apply risk management strategy to build up your small trading account with Boom and Crash. But before we get started, if you are new to our YouTube channel, we welcome you, thanks, welcome you to our YouTube channel, welcome you. So please hit on the subscription button if you are new to this channel, and give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to share this video with your friends as well who are actually trading. So that is it. So let's get started. So we want to talk about how you can build your trading account using Boom and Crash with this risk management strategy. You know, one thing that will help you to stay in this trading business is when you know what you're doing and when you apply good money management and good risk management. So if you want to build up your account, your small trading account, like if you have $20 in your trading account and you want to take this $20 up, then this video is just for you. It's just for you. Here we want to talk about how you can apply risk management. It's a risk management strategy that you can use to build up your small trading account. So what does this mean? It actually means that we're going to show you how you can scale Boom and Crash. Since it's a scalping market, you're going to enter with a big lot size, and then once in profit, you're going to close the order. You understand what I'm saying? You feel me? So let's get started, man. So right now, guys, we are not here to show you our trades. We're not here to give you a trading strategy. This is not a trading strategy video. We have other videos. We have strategy. We've already dropped some with you guys. All are still working. All the strategy in this channel are still working. So if you are new and looking for a strategy to work with, please do well to watch our videos on how to catch the spike. It's still working. Do well to watch our video 2020 strategy, hot new strategy to trade Boom and Crash. Is still working. The video how to trade Boom and Crash confidently without being afraid of the spike. All these strategies are still working, guys. So if you are new and if you have not watched this video, please kindly search for them in our YouTube channel and watch them, see the strategy setup, so you can know where to take your entry. So in this video, I want to talk about how you can scale Boom and Crash. You enter with a big lot size, and then whenever you are in profit, you take some part of the profit and close and remains a little part of it. That is risk management we're talking about. Now what do we mean actually? This is what we mean. Now this is our running trade here: V75, Boom 5, Boom 1000, and Boom 500. Our focus here is not on the trade, guys, but how you can apply the risk management. That is what we want you guys to know. Now this is the trade. As you can see, I'm using a big lot size to take these trades. That is, if you want to escape the market Boom and Crash after taking your entry with a big lot size, this is what you do whenever you are in profit. That will keep you, that will help you to build your small account. Now for example, our Boom 1000 right now, here, you see here, Boom 1000, all are in profit, here. We want to close this trade. You want to close it, and mind you, this is not a real account, guys. I just want you guys to know how you can trade using this risk management strategy. Now Boom 1000, we enter with a big lot size 50, which is the maximum lot size. So since we're already in profit, now we want to close some part of the trade while the trade is still on. So what you do now is you have to click on the trade. Look at it here. You click on it, then you click this icon button here, this one here. So you click on this one, so you click on it, and then you have to reduce the lot size. Since we're already in profit, you have to reduce the lot size, meaning you have to click here, you have to reduce the lot size here. So what we have to do now, so we click on the lot size, and then we reduce it to the minimum lot size, which is 0.20. They just upgraded. Binary just made some changes today. Before now it was 0.10 that was the minimum lot size, but today I was surprised. Seems they actually did some upgrade, and now it's 0.2 lot size, which is the minimum lot size. So we have to close 48 point, yeah, I think it's 48. So we have to close 49.8 lot size, and we are left with 0.2 lot size. So we close with profit. Are you getting it, guys? We close in profit. So let's close with profit. We want to close 48.8 lot size. So we want to close with this profit. Now why the trade is still going on, so close with profit. So you see, guys, so we've closed with profit, and right now we are left with 1.20 lot size. You guys understand what I'm saying? This is a risk management strategy. You enter the market with a big lot size, and once you are in profit, you take part of the profit and allow the trade to run. You take half of the profit and allow the trade to run. That is it. This is what we do. This is how you can actually build your small account to something big, applying this simple strategy. So the same thing we can do for this one here. So we have to withdraw part of the profit while the trade is still going on. So I have to take 49.8, which is about $921 profit. So you close with profit. My network is kind of poor here, so I'm saying close with profit. Network is bad. Okay, we've already done that now. So you see, we are now left. Oh, that was a mistake. We actually did close that trade. So let's try for this one here. So you click on close trade, then you change here 49, and leave the minimal lot size there, 49.80. Close with profit. So you can see now we are left with 0.2 lot size. Now this 1.2 lot size, we can also close it to, can reduce it, take part of the profit. We have 1.2, so we can take 100 one lot size and protect our profit. So we are left with 0.2 here, 0.2 here. So we've taken the big profit, and we're only left with the small lot size. We can also do the same thing for V75, which is now we in $4,000 profit. So we can take our profit to, can take 0.95 profit. So close to profit, and then we are left with 0.045. If you still want to reduce it, you can also reduce it. You can reduce it to the minimal lot size, which are for 0.005 for this 75. So we can actually take 0.04 and then we close. So right now we are left with the minimum 0.005. 0.005. So this is how you can actually grow your small trading account using boom and crash. This is a risk management strategy. Or you want to enter the market with a big lot size because you are actually escaping the market and your equity is low, so you want to enter the market with a big lot size, and once you are in profit, you want to take part of the profit. You want to take 95% of the profit and allow the small lot size to run. This way you will end up building your account from $20. You can end up 100, 200, or depending on the strategy you are using. So this is it, guys, and this is what we have for you for today. We are coming up with a powerful strategy that you can use to trade boom and crash and other indices. Once again, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And one more thing, also turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified once we post new video in our channel. I still remain your boy Steve Vino, and I'm signing out right now. Peace.